most of the problems or the challenges that this community is facing. One of the main problems that we are challenging is the crime.
We've been go through a lot of things like crime.
My name is Pakamile. I was born and raised here in Chintsa, and I've lived in this community all my life.
My name is Frank Ntamnanl. I'm living here at Chintsa East community.
With that crime, especially at night, as you know, when the community grows, the crime grows as well.
As I grown up in this community, I saw a lot of things that need to be done in this village. We've been looking for the streetlights. The reason why we've been looking for those streetlights is because there have been crime activities that are happening during the night time.
The company by the name of Becker Schrader, they were very helpful, they were very generous. They donated 160 lights for us to put up and to light up our location.
Right now we are very comfortable. We work at night. People walk freely.
I'm Billett from African Angels, and we're based in Chintsa East. The lights that Becker Schrader have installed into Chintsa mean that kids can play freely in the streets and that women and children are safer, especially in South Africa's environment of gender-based violence. We're very grateful, and I know the community completely support the installation of the lights that Becker Schrader did.
Hi, my name's Peter Badenhorst. I represent Becker Schrader in the Eastern Cape of South Africa. And Lou's very involved with the community in Chintsa, and I asked her what she thought the community needed that could make things a little bit better and uplift it a bit. And she said light was the big issue. And I took the idea to the senior management of Becker Schrader in South Africa, hoping that they would give us a good price on some street lights, and instead we have joined forces with the community to do the street lighting project, and it's a really satisfying experience, to be honest. Of all the big sales I've made in my life, this one kind of overshadows them as far as real satisfaction in doing your job goes. So yeah, I have to say the real heroes here are Lou and Honey and Frank and the guys who are working hard in this community, and the credit really needs to go to them.
We would like to say thank you very much. As the community, we really appreciate you, Becker Schrader, for bringing these lights to us, and it helps a lot. And in particular, I would like to say thank you to Peter. Peter worked tirelessly making sure that this project succeeds as it is now. We have lights at night, and thank you very much.
Okay, now what can I say is that we are very lucky Becker Schrader come at this time to give us those lights that we've been looking for. Now we are very comfortable to our village. Those lights, they make our place very beautiful at night. People are enjoying to have those lights. So we are saying thank you very much to Becker Schrader.